name is Griffith, and my project is using neuromuscular electrical stimulation to create a device or circuit that allows me to control the movement of earthworms. I've always been personally interested in the topic of electrical stimulation because I thought how it was very interesting how robots and humans function in a very similar manner, as a human uses its brain to send electricity through its nervous system into its muscles to allow it to move, and a robot uses a computer to send electricity through its wires to make its motors move. And electrical stimulation is a very prevalent and new form of research that hasn't been dived into yet. However, it promises very promising results such as treatments and cures for neurological diseases such as paralysis and Tourette syndrome. So the way I began my project was looking up modules online to be able to electrically stimulate the earthworm. However, I found that those were around $6,000. So after my parents laughed at me, I found this DC power source online for about 50 bucks. And I connected that to my breadboard and I wired it through these two electrodes that would cause when I placed each electrode on the earthworm, the electricity would go through the earthworm and complete the circuit. However, that didn't work because the earthworm was not conducted enough, and as a result, the circuit did not close. So I found this online, and I did some more research, and I found that this was what was necessary because it was an AC power source, and as a result, I could change the frequency, and by changing the frequency above about 100 hertz, it would the electricity would go through things that were not very conductive. So I sent this and I wired it up to my breadboard, and it worked. I got the two electrodes and placed them on my worm, and it sent the electricity through, and it caused the earthworm to convulse. So in conclusion, I was successfully able to create a device that was about $163, so 38 times cheaper than the conventional $6,000 models. And it has 100% accuracy, as every single time the earthworm is touched with the two electrodes, it convulses, and with a 0-second reaction time, as well as you're able to increase the intensity of the convulsion by upping the voltage and upping the frequency using the rheostat and the VFD, or the variable frequency drive. And as a result, I completed my goal of successfully creating a device that would neuromuscularly electrically stimulate an earthworm for a lot cheaper than conventional methods. Thank you for watching.